This is your next 4K webcam under $100. This is the NearStream plug-and-play 4K webcam. This webcam comes with a 4K CMOS sensor, capturing in 4K 30 or 1080p 60, perfect for video calls to live streaming. With adjustable field of view of 45, 60, 75, and a maximum of 95 degrees, connecting via 1/4 inch connector or a monitor clamp, and an AI-powered auto framing feature, as well as an AI-powered noise-canceling mic. Connecting via USB-A, let's see how this webcam fares. This is what the camera looks like on default settings, besides some software-induced background blur. I will say my first impressions are better than I expected, given the size of this thing and the price of this thing. But I don't have any lighting on in the studio, so this webcam does do a good job at making everything nice and bright. I do like the fact that this thing is super tiny, so to get this quality out of such a compact form factor is quite impressive. This is a perfect travel camera to replace bad laptop cameras. Another way to fix bad laptop cameras is to smash that like button below. I was messing around in the settings of this app, and for the life of me I could not figure out how to get the preset field of view settings to work. They just would not respond. I also couldn't figure out what the autofocus mode does. The auto framing on this camera works decently well, but cameras having an auto frame feature to me isn't a big selling point, as if you're doing conference calls or streaming, you're not utilizing it fully. But that's just me. With this camera, you won't get that nice bokeh effect that you can with a DSLR camera and a $300 plus lens, but for $69, this thing is a steal. You can use software like NVIDIA Broadcast to get a nice blur effect like I have here. The Amazon page claims to have 1080p HDR, but in the NearStream app, there is no option to change the resolution size or enable HDR. Whether that is automatically applied or not, I'm not too sure, but you can change the resolution in OBS. The broken or missing functionality has me a little disappointed, more so in the software than the hardware. It seems like NearStream makes good hardware, but the software is the downfall. Again, with the software side of things, if they added a bit more functionality and got the software to work really well, this camera would be perfect. I did have trouble getting this camera to look good underneath my key lights and different lighting scenarios, but I do believe that has to do with the limited functionality within the app to make adjustments as you please. But this camera does work right out of the box and does so well, so it will work great until they resolve any of the software issues. It's still early for me to not recommend this camera based off the software issues alone, but I'm sure in time they will address all the software bugs and issues to make this thing fully functional. This camera does have a high SNR noise canceling mic, which I will show you how it sounds like right now. So this is what it sounds like just straight out of the box. I'll come over to a Word document and we could hear how it does with keyboard clicks. Okay, I'm pretty sure you heard that. I am more interested in this camera for the streaming aspect, so I'm assuming if you are taking the streaming path, you will have your own dedicated mic setup to upgrade your audio. But for quick conference calls, I'm sure this microphone will serve you well. It does have an option to shoot vertically for TikToks or shorts, but like I said, I'm more interested in the streaming aspect of it, so let me show you a few game clips of what it would look like if you were streaming. No! Good bro. I don't know, it's a good one. Overall, for $70, the NearStream V08AF 4K webcam is a good plug-and-play camera for anyone starting out their streaming journey, and a really good camera for anyone that is looking to upgrade their Zoom meetings and/or conference calls. I would definitely recommend it. If you want to pick up this mic for yourself, I do have an affiliate link in the description below, which does help the channel, which helps me make content and reviews even more polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please consider smashing that like button, subscribing, clicking that notification bell, and check out these other videos you might like. But until next time, this is Zero the Hero. Peace out.